Machine Learning by Ernesto. In a parametric machine learning use case, it starts with a bag of data. 1. Take the first row and feed it to your algorithm. 2. You have to know in advance what algorithm you will need, so choose carefully. 3. You now have an algorithm and a bag of data. Supply the data to the algorithm, one row at a time, so your algorithm can simply crunch the numbers and make a prediction. Notice that your input is only raw data, nothing else. M and B from your algorithm must be learned. M and B put a weight on your input values. The entire point in all of this is to find the best values for M and B, also called the coefficients. Your prediction is Y prime. In the data set that you have the actual observed value of Y whenever you have the input values of X. In other words, you know the answer already. You're just supervising the algorithm to see how closely the algorithm came to getting the right answer. 4. One row of training data has been submitted to your algorithm and it has produced a prediction. We now want to compare what was predicted with what we already know. In other words, the goal. We grade this prediction in the cost function. We simply take what was predicted and we subtract our goal, which came from our original dataset. This will tell us how far our prediction was from the real value. 5. We have a graded result on our prediction from our cost function. Now, we have to learn from that mistake. We take the error and the values for the coefficients of M and B and compute new and better values of M and B, so that for the next iteration of training, we can have a better prediction. How do we know it is a better prediction? Because the cost function, which measures error, will be lower the next time around. 6. With those new values of M and B, you start the entire process again. The name of the game is to go in this circle until you have as low of a value as you can get in the cost function.